I'll tell you guys how to connect your stylus pen to your iPad. Like if you have any alternative pens, Apple Pencil on for your iPad, then you can connect by tapping double tap on your pencil to enable it, or you have to tap multiple times on your top of your pen to enable to connect your. Once you see these light over here, then you can now start using on your iPad. But connecting the Apple Pencil, the original Apple Pencil to your iPad is a bit different. You have to connect, you have to remove the top of your pencil and just connect with your iPad using cable. Once you connect it guys, now you have to just go to your, make sure the Bluetooth is on and just go to your settings. In setting you have to go to your Bluetooth devices, and here you will see your Apple Pencil guys name. You just need to tap on it to connect. Once you connect, you can remove the cable and start using guys. So this is how you can connect your Apple Pencil. So yep, I hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.